Hi, friends and families. My name is Miss Haley. Today, I would like to talk about technology and how technology can be incorporated into science, engineering, math, art, all aspects of learning. My technology science project today is a long-term science project that you can do at home. In your kit, I have provided soil, marigold seeds, which are very teeny tiny black seeds with a little hint of beige on top. A marigold is a type of flower that is beneficial to gardens. A marigold is an annual, meaning that it only grows one time. I also have included in your kit a little terracotta pot, a popsicle stick so that you may label your marigold plant. Today, Miss Haley will be using an old yogurt container for her marigold. Previously, I have also sent your ruler and a magnifying glass. Today, our first step is to add soil to our container, our planter. I'm going to start by opening the bag and gently lifting the soil and placing it into my container. As my container begins to get filled up, I'm going to pause so that I have space on the top. What do you think I'm going to put on top of the soil? That's right, the marigold seed. I'm going to open my bag and pick up 2 marigold seeds. I now will be placing the 2 seeds on top of my soil. Next, I'm going to add more soil to cover the seeds. Next, I would add some water. Plants need water and plenty of sunshine to grow. You may write or have your grown-up help you write marigold on your popsicle stick and stick it gently to the side. After I water our seeds, I will set it on the windowsill where it can get lots of sunshine. As a way to extend this activity and to incorporate both math and technology, I'll be using our handy dandy ruler to measure the growth. Feel free to write down how tall the plant is on a piece of paper, seeing its growth patterns. You can also investigate your marigold and get a closer look by using a magnifying glass. Besides just writing marigold on your popsicle stick, you could also add the date that you planted your seed to determine how long it took for your seed to germinate or begin to grow, and how long it takes for the marigold to develop flowers. Thank you so much for learning about our long-term science project with me today, friends. I'm excited to see you grow your very own marigold plant.